Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that Microsoft has updated the Windows Health Dashboard page over on Microsoft Docs to let us know that there are now shutdown and hibernation issues that are affecting PCs with Secure Launch and Virtual Secure Mode enabled. Now, Microsoft has this officially to say over on its Known Issues Health Dashboard page that after installing Windows updates released on or after January the 13th this year, so for Windows 10, that would be KB 5073724, are posted on the update for the ESU program. I'll leave it linked down below and in the end screen. So after installing this update, some Secure Launch-capable PCs with Virtual Secure Mode enabled are unable to shut down or enter hibernation. Instead, the device restarts. Now, just to give you a bit of a background regarding Secure Launch and Virtual Secure Mode. Virtual Secure Mode is virtualization-based technology that keeps sensitive information basically in a protected area for added security. So if your device uses Virtual Secure Mode, it might not properly shut down or hibernate after installing this update as mentioned. And don't confuse Secure Launch with Secure Boot. Secure Boot verifies the bootloader, where Secure Launch verifies the whole operating system. So that's just a bit of a background regarding Secure Launch and Secure Boot. Now, Microsoft says that its next steps is it's planning to release a solution in a future Windows update and will provide more information when it is available. And the affected platforms are Windows 11 version 23H2, Windows 10 version 22H2, Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2021, and Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2019, and no server editions are affected. And that also means that 24H2 and 25H2 of Windows 11 are also not affected. Now, this is unfortunate because this is affecting Windows 10 if you are signed up to the ESU, because Windows 10 only gets updates now if you are signed up to the ESU. So the ESU is supposed to be bringing security and stability improvements to the operating system up until October of this year, and now it's unfortunate that a ESU update is causing a known issue. I would have thought by now that, seeing that Windows 10 has officially, according to Microsoft, reached its end of support, that bugs would have been sorted out by now, but not to be. But nonetheless, if I get more information or we hear back from Microsoft, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.